Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my experiences and journey with you. You can follow along on this journey by hitting that subscribe and like button. Today we will be making this very easy crochet flower that uses only chain and half double crochet. You can use any yarn to make it, and I have used very lightweight yarn. If you use lightweight yarn, lace weight yarn, then of course you will get this very airy and light effect. I have also linked them, and by linking these flowers, its petals, you can create something like a shawl or a bolero even, and it will be a very interesting fabric that you create by joining these flowers. Today I'll be using this yarn to make my flower, and we'll start by making a slip knot. And we'll chain 4. Join first and last stitch, chain 2. This is our first half double crochet. Now we will make 11 more. One thing to remember is that you'll get as many petals as you make your half double crochets. So if you decide that you do not need such a dense flower, then you can make 8 or 10 or 9 half double as well. So experiment and see which effect you like more, such a dense flower with so many petals or something lighter. I'll be making 12. So I have already made 2, and let's continue making. And we'll join with the first chain 2, which was our first half double. Now I will chain 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and in the same stitch that I have come, I'll slip stitch. Now I will go to the next stitch and slip stitch there, and I'll chain 9. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 and 9. Again I will slip stitch to the next stitch and chain 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. In this way I will complete my circle and come back. If you want to join 2 flowers, I have made this one, and this is the one I'm working on, and this is its last petal. I haven't completed it yet. I have chained 9, cut my yarn, and I'll just pass it through one of the petals of the other flower, and then put the chain back on my crochet hook like this. You will just pass it through the petal, and in the same stitch where you have been working, you will complete your petal and secure the tail end. Because we have used only one color, so we have just got two tails. One is starting tail and the other is the ending tail. If you plan to use two colors, one for the center and one for the petals, and of course you'll have more tails to hide and secure. So this is how you will join your flower. And you can also see the difference here. In this flower I made chain of 9 stitches, but this one has chain of 12 stitches. You can also see by just increasing the number of chains, we have increased the size of our flower as well. So have fun playing with this very easy beginner friendly flower that you can use to get rid of some scrap as well and make some beautiful garment. And I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.